to jump up on
No,
me.
we're not doing that part now. Come on. Come here. Come here, Rubes. No. Go get it. Go get it. Did you get it?
Yay!
Boy.
What else?
Well, you can either do both of these things in there. Let's see which one he ends up getting. One he's supposed to get. Hold on, let me get it out of there. Furball. Furball. Which one do you get? Good boy.
Yay!